Bethany from Southern Couture, and I'm here again to show you something fun to do with Revival Camp for the third kit. So the kit came with these really fun acetate butterflies, and so you see the transparent effect of them. And so they're a lot of fun to use in your pages, but I have a fun way that I want to show you how I did them in my traveler's notebook, and also using the bonus printable that came from Dayspring. So when you purchase the kit, you get a free printable download the next day that has all different kinds of elements that match with the kit, and these butterflies are one of those parts of the printable. And so I have went ahead and I cut out one of the acetate, or pulled out one of the acetate butterflies, and then I cut out one from the cardstock, and I just left the white little border around it. I didn't make it extremely perfect or anything, so I got those in matching colors. And then I will show you, actually let me go ahead and just show you what I did. Now, if you were to put like certain adhesives on the back of this butterfly and then put it right down on the page, you're going to see that adhesive through it. Even sometimes with these like glue runners or adhesive runners, you may still see those streaks on it when you do it, because it's not going to be just a perfect sticker. But what I have found that works, and you cannot see the adhesive, and I like this, it gives it a 3D effect. You run your tape runner right down the middle of the butterfly, right at the middle of the body, and then where the antennas are. Then add your butterfly on the top, and it really depends, it's up to you. This side is more of a matte finish, and then this side would be more of the shiny finish. So I'm going to put the shiny side up, and then you just place it directly on top of the cutout butterfly, and you try to line it up as best as you can. Then, for the 3D effect, I take all the way over to where it's glued down, and I pull it up, and then I sort of also bend it, and you want to do that on both sides, and that gives it somewhat of a 3D effect, so it looks like it's actually flying off of the page. So you see how that works. So this works good even in a journaling Bible. You could do this. It works really great in like a journaling book, a praise book, traveler's notebook. And so I want to show you how I used mine. And so this is my traveler's notebook that I'm using for the third kit. I did one of these for the second kit, and I cut this out with the leather. I cut it out with the maker. And so I have another video, you can see that in the description below, showing you how to make this. And then I did the embroidery floss here. I used printable iron-on that I put the third kit camp logo on. So then when you open it up, what I have done so far is I have like, this has scrapbook paper throughout it that has kind of a woodland and camping theme to it. But what I did for my front title, when you open it up, I put these little butterflies on top of this embellishment, and it's really cute because when you open it up, you can see how it almost looks as if they are flying off of the page. And I just loved that little 3D effect that it gave. You cannot really see the adhesive underneath it at all. Then you can fold them and they pop up very nicely. And so I used the tissue paper that came in the kit that wraps it all up. I cut that out in different shapes and layered that on there. Then I added these little butterflies. I have these little transparent type alphabet stickers. They came from Illustrated Faith. And then this is Wow God, a word fetty that also is in a sticker booklet from Illustrated Faith, and I just added that right there on top. So that is a fun way that you can use the little acetate butterflies in your journaling. So I was watching a process video that Lindsay did over at Lindsay Decor, and she showed how to use these acetate butterflies so that you don't see that sticky, like a glue runner or a sticky residue underneath when it's on the page. With this, you don't really see it that much, but the way she said, if you want to lay the butterfly flat, use the Xyron sticker maker. If you have ever seen these, they're really, really cool, but you could put it just about any shape. The die cuts that Illustrated Faith has that come in the kits, these would go great in here too. And you would just take one of these, and I won't actually do it for you, but you would stick it straight in this little spot. You pull down here, and it actually brings it out, and then you just take it off rip it, take it off, and it makes a whole sticker. So it makes the whole back side of the butterfly an actual sticker so that when you lay it flat, you can't see it. So you'll have to go over, I will leave a link to her video below as well, showing you how she did that. If you're curious, that's a really great idea to use these. I will leave a link down below where you can find these. Also, if you would like to get one of these, like I said, it's great for using clear pieces. I know Illustrated Faith has the clear paper packs, and a lot of times people wonder how to use them. So this would be a great way to use that, to use die cuts that come in the kits that you want to make stickers that are sometimes tedious to use the runners. You can use this. So thank you, Lindsay, for that idea. If you have any fun ideas on other ways that we can use these butterflies, please leave those in the comments below. I would love to know. I think this is a really fun new addition they added in the kit this month, and so I'm excited to find other ways to use them. But for now, I'm absolutely loving this whole layering effect with a 3D look. So let me know if you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you guys again very soon. Bye-bye.